Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming physical readiness, power, connection, and paper. Once done, open the PDF and go straight to the print dialog. Choose the exact printer and page range you need. Make sure scale is at 100% and disable fit to page so margins stay true. If a preview looks wrong, cancel and reopen the file to rule out viewer glitches. This gets you into the printing flow immediately and isolates obvious file versus device issues. Next, focus on software. Update or reinstall the printer driver, preferring the manufacturer's latest release. If problems persist, print as image from the PDF viewer to bypass rendering bugs, or export the document as PDF/A to flatten complex elements. Adjust paper size, orientation, and duplex settings, and select the correct tray so paper feeding errors stop. Make sure color mode and resolution match printer capability. To finish, run a quick test. Print a one-page PDF or the printer's built-in test page to confirm basic function. If the full document still fails, open it in another viewer or export pages as images, then print those files. Restart the print spooler or the printer itself and try printing from a different computer to isolate whether the problem is local. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Clear the print queue and restart both machine and printer before repeating any complex fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.